I've about had it with Bob. He gave me too many sandwiches, and I couldn't eat all of them. Guess I'm just gonna have to jump off. Oh, I'm still alive. Ugh. Oh, hey, look, a pirate ship and a ray gun. I think I could go on an adventure. Oh no. I have a problem. I need to fight the cat's magical thoughtlessness. Here's their lair. I must go in. Dang it, it's locked. I might have to take these stairs. Bananas, 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 no! I forgot my gun. I got it. Ding. Let's get out of here and kill those cats.
And then there are originals. Emos, the original St. Louis style pizza.
Made from natural whole food ingredients. Your dog will be the only to help nurture healthier, more well. Feed it forward. The top hospitals and our outpatient surgery center has private, but there's heart in everything we do. Doctors call it world.
Snuggle, 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 snuggle. I must get to the cat master. The end. Thank you for watching, and if you did watch, I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe for more videos. I come up with them every single day. Bye bye.